guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina. For all of my new subscribers and all of my existing subscribers, love y'all, thank y'all, per usual. Anyway, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use 3D puff vinyl. Have y'all seen it yet? Have y'all used it yet? If not, what are you waiting on? It's super cool and it looks awesome on a shirt. So we're gonna be using the brand Cendale 3D puff vinyl. Not only is it 3D, but it's also glow in the dark. How much cooler can you get? I mean, and you haven't used it yet. But anyway, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know. It's super easy. It works and looks, you use it just like HTV, your regular heat transfer vinyl, except once you apply heat, it puffs, so it gives a 3D effect. And again, the vinyl that we're gonna be using today is glow in the dark, and it looks extra nice on your shirts or your garments. So you will need some t-shirts. Today we're going to be making 2 shirts, and the shirts that I'm using are actually tie-dye. So if you see this video and you want to use tie-dye shirts along with your 3D puff vinyl, I will make sure to link where I got the shirts down in the description. Also, I will link how to purchase your 3D puff vinyl as well down in the description. So let's get into the video. Alright, again guys, we're using the brand Cendale Glow in the Dark 3D Puff Heat Transfer Vinyl. It comes with 5 sheets that glow in the dark, 5 different colors. It also comes with step-by-step instructions on the inside how to use it. Here's the image that I'm going to be using on my shirt. It says Mama, and I have it at 11 by 5 in size because I just want it to go across the chest. And I'm going to change the color from black to white because that's the color of the puff vinyl that we're going to be using. And the white should glow in the dark blue. So just to show you how I got this image, I went over to images on my Cricut design space and I just typed in Mama and scrolled until I found something that I actually liked. So you don't have to use this particular image. You can use whatever image you choose. I'm just showing you how I found mine. Now I'm going to go back to my canvas and then I'm going to click make it so that we can make it. Again, guys, this works just like HTV. So you want to make sure that you mirror your image. You always mirror your image when using iron on. I have my settings set to iron on plus, and then I'm just gonna load it onto my mat. Make sure that you load it shiny side down, just like your normal HTV is shiny side down. And then I'm gonna send it through my Cricut cutting machine. Once you have your image cut out, you want to weed away all the excess vinyl from around your image, just like you would normal HTV. So here's our image after we've done the weeding and everything, and I think it's perfect in size to go across the chest like I wanted. But just to give you a demonstration on how it would look, this is how it would look going across the chest, and I love the image on this tie-dye shirt because it's giving retro. It looks like a retro shirt. Also, in the instructions that comes with your vinyl, it tells you what temperatures and times to set your heat press. I'm going to use 284 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. Again, times depend on your heat press, but you want to make sure you are using firm pressure as well. You want firm pressure. And again, I'm using 284 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And it just all depends on your heat press, but they do give you step-by-step instructions in the package with your puff vinyl. As you can see, the vinyl is already puffed. The vinyl is already puffed. And it's easy to peel away the carrier sheet. The carrier sheet just slides off like butter. I mean, I've never had a carrier sheet peel that easy. But anyway, let's get into the puff. As you can see, it's lifting off the shirt and it looks great. Like, I really just love the way that this 3D puff vinyl gives your shirt character, especially on this tie-dye shirt, because it's really giving retro. Like, I really, really like this shirt, and I can't wait to wear it, even though I made it myself. But I can't wait to see how it looks in the dark. So here we are in the bathroom, and I'm just dancing around, but I was ecstatic because look how well this glows in the dark. And again, remember, the white vinyl glows in the dark blue, and it did just that. I mean, it glows in the dark, vibrant and well. So 10 out of 10 for me on the glow in the dark portion. 10 out of 10. But I like this shirt so good that I made another one. And so this tie-dye shirt is giving me cotton candy vibes because it's like a pastel tie-dye shirt. And I couldn't wait to make this shirt because this shirt came out so pretty. But this is the image that I used, Good Vibes Only. You will find it under images under Cricut Design Space the same way we did the first shirt. So here we are. We're about to press it again. Firm pressure, 284 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. The same as the first shirt. But this shirt is going to stand out way better, I think, because the first shirt was kind of a dark shirt. But this shirt is kind of lighter. And you will see what I mean soon as I lift the heat press. You can see the actual puff. So you see it puffing already. I mean, self-explanatory. You see it puffing already. And this shirt, I mean, it is so pretty. Look how pretty it is. Look how well the pink puffs. I mean, the pink puffed. Look at that, y'all. How cool is that? So let's take it to the bathroom again and see what it looks like in the dark. Y'all. Again, I'm so excited I'm dancing. Can y'all see I was dancing? But anyway, look how well that looks. Look how well that looks. Jeez. Well, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I made everything clear. I will make sure to link down in the description again where to get your 3D puff vinyl, also the tie-dye shirts. But don't feel that you have to use the tie-dye shirts because you can use any shirt that you would like. I just think that the tie-dye made it stand out a little better. I mean, I just like tie-dye shirts even if nothing's on it. But, I mean, you can use whatever shirts that you choose. But I will still drop down in the description the link to where I bought the tie-dye shirts. Also, be sure to check out some of my other videos on my page. And again, thanks for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video.